Regional Institute of Medical Sciences (RIMS) Imphal has been designated a Center of Excellence for Rare Diseases, making it the first in the Northeast region and the 13th in India to achieve this status. This milestone has positioned RIMS as a pivotal institution for diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of rare diseases in the region. Patients seeking treatment for rare diseases can now access advanced medical facilities at RIMS and avail financial support of up to Rs 50 lakhs per patient under the National Policy for Rare Diseases. The policy currently includes a list of 63 rare diseases approved for treatment at COEs across India. The recognition of RIMS as a COE comes after it successfully underwent 4 rigorous inspections by a panel of experts, highlighting the Institute's adherence to the highest quality standards. As the Northeast's first COE, RIMS is expected to significantly improve healthcare access for rare disease patients, providing hope and specialized care to those in need.